as you can see, there's a lot of damaged teeth from the gear, so definitely need replacing. This time I'm going to replace it with the metal one. The plastic one seems been damaged really badly, so it's easy job. There you go. As you can see, it's got 3 clips. You take them off, take the gear out, and then put the new one in. As simple as that. Put few amount of grease around it. And with this, it doesn't have wrong side or right size. Make sure you grease the inside as well, so you get some of the right, last long in motor and battery. It's done now.